Alrighty.
I'll do the Star Wars thing. Hello? Hello, Mother Yard. Alright. You know, I was thinking, see what I was thinking was that, like Mother Tucker Yard. Right? This is what I was thinking is that, it is very nice out here, right? No, but in all seriousness, it is actually very, very nice out here. It is actually, the pine trees grow naturally out here. Yeah.
No, it's a roadway up there.
What?
It's a road up there.
What? A boat?
No, a road.
A road?
Yeah.
It's a bike trail.
No,
it's a bike trail up
there's
there.
a road right
What
up.
do you mean there's a road?
I see there's two cars go up there.
Mother... No. Oh. Yes, there is a road up there.
It's really nice out here, like the rapids, the mountains.
Now this is a vacation. Do you think this is a vacation?
I bet you they felt.
Or do you think going to Port Dover or
This.
Brentford
This.
is a vacation?
This.
Yeah, this is a vacation. Yeah, you think so?
I think they filmed that movie out here. What was The Great Outdoors?
Yeah.
With John Candy.
Yeah, that was filmed right here.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
The only thing they did was cut out.
A lot of movies were filmed.
The only
right
thing
here.
they would have done was edit out the mountains. That was about
What?
it. The only thing they would have done was edit out the mountains.
Maybe. Actually, quite a bit of movies were filmed in Banff. If you look at it when we get back, you'll be able to probably notice and spot some of the places and be like, oh hey, they filmed here.
Oh my god, I gotta get myself by that river here. This is so beautiful out here in Banff, Alberta. Look at that. Rapids. Very, very cool. If you look like this, it's a forest. Look over here, there's some mountains in behind me. Beautiful. Little camouflage, just in case, yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna end this transmission and we'll keep you updated.
I just want to see how this hat looks. There we go. Yes, I'm using camera to adjust,
It works though.
Right? And everybody can see me adjusting hat, right?
Alrighty.
You know what? This needs. But I mean, it's really not that sunny out, so.
Yeah.
I'll wait until like later on in the day.
Yeah.
I just wanted to adjust it, tie the knot and stuff.
Exactly. So then it's really beautiful out here.
For when that happens. But
this is better than Lynn Valley Trail, man.
yeah, no doubt.
Alright, I'm gonna end this transmission. I'm gonna keep you updated with videos.